Is your pool pump lid stuck? Are you having trouble opening your pump basket? Let me show you how to not use the brick. Is it not opening when you put all your force into it? This is a quick and easy fix to open any pool pump lid that is stuck. Let me show you a couple of quick tricks to get this pump lid open. First thing I'll do is I'll get down low to the pump. I'm gonna push this way and that way with my hands. Not gonna have any luck. I'm gonna take this hand and this hand, back my hand simultaneously, like this. And I have all this stuff in here that I don't wanna hit my hands on. So what you end up doing is you end up grabbing a brick and you hit the pump lid this way, that way, and you can get it undone. Let me show you how to not use the brick. Okay. So what we have here, there's an O-ring on the bottom side of this. And you can also see we got some grime up under there. So some of these lids you can take out the middle. Some of them they have to stay in. These on the other hand you can. I'm gonna take it out. You can see it's pretty dirty. So take it, I'm gonna whack it on my hand. We should see the O-ring come out. If it doesn't, you can use the corner of your lube container and wedge it under there and get it, or a flathead screwdriver. Just be careful using any metal around your plastic. So once we get this out, we're gonna have our O-ring right here and put it somewhere safe. I'm gonna take our rag and I clean this out really good. And a pro tip is if you're planning on doing this and you've been dealing with your pump basket for a long time, don't even put the old O-ring in. Go ahead and get yourself a new O-ring to put in there and save yourself the hassle. And get this puppy as clean as we possibly can. I've gotten a lot of busted up knuckles from this pump basket, I'll tell you that much. Okay. Here we go. See? Nice and clean. Gonna go ahead and clean this as well. The top and the bottom. Now, I'm gonna take our O-ring, thread it through our fingers. See, when the O-ring's black like that, it is ready to be replaced. We do have a new one, but we'll show you how to do it with the old one. And we'll buy them a couple more months until we replace it with a new one. So you can see, it's lost a lot of its shine. All that grease is off of there. Now, try and clean my hands as best as I can. We're gonna take a light little dollop of lube. Start with about that much. Work it around the O-ring. And we just want to get it slick. We don't want excessive, because the excessive lube is what we were dealing with before. What's happening is the lube is collecting dirt. The dirt gets in there And we've got some sticking. So then we're gonna fit our O-ring into our ridge right here. And work it around like this. O-ring's a little bit expanded, definitely ready to be replaced. And you can see, before we put it in, we're gonna go ahead and take care of all of this dirt. Look at that, like brand new. Gonna put this in. Sometimes these lids are cracked too, so always inspect them closely. You want to look up under here where the O-ring goes, and sometimes you'll see cracks going into it. Light little lube around the O-ring on top. Always want to make a plus sign with these. We never want to tighten them like this because it can't fully tighten with our union here. Here's the moment of truth. Can we get it on and off? Okay. On's pretty easy. We have our plus sign right here. Let's see about off. On. Plus sign. Off. Now, I could have never done that before without my trusty brick. Okay? So spend the time, take care of your O-rings, make your life a whole lot easier, and don't beat on your equipment with a brick.
Let's face it, your pool pump lid has been stuck for a long time and you dread emptying it. How about we take the 5 to 10 minutes to clean up our O-ring and fix it up so that we can empty it every single time we service our pool. Anytime you system vac the pool, or if you have a suction side cleaner, everything that it vacuums up off the bottom in your pool is gonna end up in your pump basket. If we're going to be emptying our pump basket lid every single visit, we need to make it as easy as we can on ourselves. You may have to do this every couple months or once a year, but it is worth it to save you time and effort on cleaning your pool. If you want to see any other videos, or if you're having a problem, please put it in the comments. I would be happy to make a video for you.
Thank you for watching our video. I'm Spencer, this is Bowie. There's a new video for you to watch right here. Please subscribe right here. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section below and like the video.